How many does it sleep total?
6.
Okay.
And one queen size bedroom and one king size bedroom upstairs with a sitting area. This is a half bath.
It's nice to have it right off the table. We were teaching someone from New York on my showing yesterday how important that is.
Oh yeah, they don't appreciate it, but we do.
Oh, yeah.
It's the kitchen. There's a laundry room here.
Stackable.
We have, this is a weird one, but in order to save space, a very small microwave, but it works fine.
I love that.
Yeah. It looks like an old-fashioned TV.
I was like, is that a 3D printer?
Washer. In Miami, so
Yeah.
Doral area, that's booming now.
Yeah, everyone keeps pushing west, right?
Yep. Yes.
Yeah, I've been doing some condos a lot out in Sunny Isles. Like I'm relatively new to this, but at the same time, I do a lot with the drone, and they want me to fly out of the balconies.
Well, that's good to know.
I fly right through the house
No,
So-
also for the
commercial.
real estate.
Definitely.
Sometimes it's just the land that has the value more than. My son-in-law stores his kayak over here. They want the patio. I could get some little area here.
Little table?
Yeah.
Okay.
Table and chair like that. Just that we don't appreciate doing that. We appreciate
Yeah.
going to the beach.
Yeah, you're steps away from the beach, right? It's right down the street.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll show you. I can walk you there.
Yeah, that'd be great. I could.
Just the AC. It's a brand new AC. This is the master suite.
Yeah, look how it opens up like that into that nook.
Yeah.
It's like a reading nook.
Yes. Yeah. It has one closet over here, one closet over here. So there's 2 closets for this area. Put the light on.
Nice. It's got remotes for everything, or in the bedroom.
Yeah.
And then you've got the master bedroom or bathroom.
This, that's the master bathroom. Totally renovated, and this is the closet. Across from it, so you don't have to move.
I see both sides.
His and hers, but apart from that, we also have this other closet, which I kept. It has more storage here for blankets and stuff like that.
Excellent. I would use this area quite a bit.
Yeah. They've been tile.
Really?
Huh, it's like wood.
Yeah. What do you call that?
It's called spa. I sell tile. That's
Really?
That's why I picked the best.
Tile sells. That's cool.
That's okay. You can come in.
It's got the
Give me your email.
yeah, I'd be happy to market them, and
Yeah.
I have my drone, and like I said, it's the specialty. So I didn't file the waiver quick enough for this property today, but I could probably do it for tomorrow if you wanted to come by and do that.
Yeah. Send it to me. See that? Because it's made the kids scared once in a while.
Yeah.
And this one wasn't, what you saw on the internet is not, because that's what I told you, that the other realtor that came, she said to me, it shows much better.
In person.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it looks 100 times better in person. I think so. So I can get you. Told me yet. That's good. Oh, yeah.
Parking there. Or that white car, that's mine.
You get how many spots? Like one and some guests?
One and anything in
Anything
the,
on
the street. You can use that for.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. It's all divided by the buildings. It's kind of separate from where the people are going to be sleeping. All right. No, I'm trying not to film the kiddos there, but
We're gonna go back from our.
the other way around.
Yeah.
All right. Excellent. It's right there. That's our usual routine too. Over the summers, we go to Myrtle Beach, and it's from the pool to the beach, to the pool to the beach, to the pool to the beach. All the cousins.
Yeah, well, a lot of those kids there are my grandchildren.
Really? So you know, that's awesome.
We have 10.
That's excellent. Yeah, that's basically what we do every summer is a week. So you're right here. And I've been coming to this beach forever, and I've never been down the street, which is a good thing.
And they have the best restaurant here. Sea Watch. Have you ever?
Yeah, I love that place.
It's amazing. We can walk from here in the sand. You walk and you go into the restaurant. You can also go. I go to church in front of it, and or we walk down.
All right. Awesome. Yeah, I like the perspective. That way, it really paints the picture. Like you can tell exactly where. That's my daily if I'm going to be staying on the beach.
Oh, yeah. No, we do that often. The kids like the pool sometimes, but right now it's getting kind of
it's closer to inside if you need to run in.
Yeah.
Now these are all part of the same association, or on the left hand?
On the
Alright, so
right, the right are different. This is our
most direct route though, I bet. A little private that way. Yeah. But they put a lot of time into getting that unit.
The ours is that one over there.
Alright. That's where they're coming out of?
No, those are not mine.
Oh, okay.
Those are the neighbors.
There's so many. Sorry.
Yeah. Those are the neighbors. Here is busy now with kids in the summer, but then once school starts, everybody
Yep.
goes home.
Clears out, and I'm sure the weekdays even everyone's doing something.
Yeah, and at the bottom.
Right here.
Alright. Excellent.
He's got his kayak here. It's closed.
It's locked in the side, but yeah, we got it.